Yeah. Look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This life isn't mine. I'm living for 'em now. I ain't wasting time. Never turn back. I really ain't missing nothing. Instead of living for myself, I be living for the mission of the king that'll soon be coming. Sin over promise, under delivers. I ain't with the nonsense. I'm in the scriptures. Get to know 'em early. I tell 'em why I wait. So I'ma serve 'em all my days. It don't matter if I'm young, yeah, I'm unashamed. Young, that's right, I'm living for the king. Young, through him I can do all things. Yeah, now it don't matter if I'm young. 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 They say live it in your 20s. Go and get yours, go and get money. Show them wild oats, slide with some honeys. Yeah, I tried that already, and them lies don't satisfy, buddy. This one's really dumb. They like have some fun now and change tomorrow, but that may never come. And they thinking they excuses that they young. Well, you stop making excuses. One of man's what you become. Don't believe the lies. Y'all ain't missing nothing except never-ending games. I'm holding on to sand grains. They calling me a fool. I'm giving what I can't keep, gaining what I can't lose. It don't matter if I'm young. Now it don't matter if I'm young. Now it don't matter if I'm young. Now it don't matter.